How to make someone a moderator in Discord. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started with the process. Open up your Discord, go to your server and then tap on this three dot icon on your top right. Here go to Settings, scroll all the way below and you will see roles under User Management. Tap that and tap on Create Role. Here name your role. I'm gonna name this Moderator and tap on Create. Now here search for the member that you want to add as moderator. Check their box and tap finish. Here you can also add color to your moderator role. I am going to add pink color and tap save. Once you are done, tap on save again on your top right. And now you can see that I had just added one moderator and it's in pink color. And that's how we do it. Thanks for watching till the end and I'll see you in our next upload.